Okay, I'm making this short little video as a evaluation of the GeZee LED deformable lamp. And this is the one that has 5 little flaps that come off the center. Anyway, I'm in my garage. I shall back up so you can see. And I'm making a video so you can see kind of how bright it is in here. And then we'll compare once I put in one light. Now these are just single light bulbs. And I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. Now you can see it's just a single light bulb. These are standard 60-watt light bulbs. I don't even know if they're LEDs. They might just be the old-fashioned kind. Anyway, all right. I'm going to pause the video here, and then I shall open the thing up here. Okay, I've got it open. Only thing it had was a user manual and the plastic that was over the entire light bulb. Simple stuff. And you can see, hard to do this with one hand holding a phone. All right, and then it's got a little protective cap. There we go. Little protective cap over the threads. Okay, I'm gonna get out a ladder and try not to kill myself. And I'm going to replace that single bulb in the center with this thing, and then we'll compare how bright it is in here. So here I'll give you a reference point real quick of how they look. And then I'll stand back and give you a long shot of the garage. Okay, so you can kind of tell how bright it is in here. Okay, now that I've installed it, and I almost nearly killed myself doing it. All right, you can see the brightness of a single LED bulb, 60-watt equivalent to this monster. And then here's the other one. And then I'll go back over here into the corner. Notice I have a typical garage where you can't actually put cars in it because there's so much junk. But anyway, now you can see the brightness level from just one of those bulbs. Okay, and then notice I have the flaps down on it and not up at pointing at angles. And so I think it will light up the sides and stuff even more once I have the other 2 bulbs installed, and then maybe angle the flaps if I have to. So anyway, there it is. I am impressed with the light. It is super bright. It's like a miniature sun in here. And that's that, whatever it was called. There it is. GeZee LED deformable lamp. It was a little over $17 a piece on Amazon. And I think it's money well spent already.